In the serene mountains, there lived a wise hermit renowned for his ability to understand the thoughts of others. People from distant lands sought his counsel, hoping to unravel the mysteries of their minds. One day, a curious traveler arrived at the hermit's humble abode, seeking the secret to knowing other people's thoughts. The hermit welcomed him warmly and invited him to sit by the crackling fire. With a serene smile, the hermit spoke softly, "To know the thoughts of others, you must first learn to still your own mind." He handed the traveler a crystal-clear bowl filled to the brim with water. Perplexed, the traveler asked, "But how can I understand others by looking into this bowl?" The hermit gently replied, "As the water reflects the world around it, so does a calm mind reflect the thoughts of others. When your mind is clouded with your judgments and desires, you cannot truly understand another's perspective." The traveler pondered these words and tried to focus on the still water, but his mind was restless. He shared his thoughts with the hermit, who nodded compassionately. The hermit then led the traveler to a nearby stream where the water flowed freely. "Observe the stream," he said. "Just as it flows without resistance, let your thoughts flow without clinging to them. Allow them to come and go." As the traveler gazed at the stream, he felt a sense of peace enveloping him. Slowly, his mind settled, and he began to understand the hermit's wisdom. "In the same way," the hermit continued, "when you interact with others, let go of assumptions and preconceptions, listen with an open heart, and you will grasp the essence of their thoughts." Days turned into weeks, and the traveler immersed himself in this practice, learning to quiet his mind and embrace the present moment. He discovered that by being fully present with others, he could sense the unspoken words hidden beneath their actions. One evening, the traveler returned to bid farewell to the hermit, grateful for the profound insights he had gained. "You have taught me a valuable lesson, dear hermit," he said. "To know other thinking, one must first master the art of being present and unburdened by their own thoughts." The hermit smiled knowingly. "Remember, understanding others is not about reading their minds, but rather about connecting with their hearts. When you see with compassion and listen with empathy, the language of thoughts becomes clearer and true understanding blooms with newfound wisdom." The traveler set off on his journey, ready to embrace the world with an open heart and a calm mind, knowing that the path to knowing others lies in embracing the present and letting go of judgments. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.